Moving on now to news coming in from Andhra Pradesh, where Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu has ripped apart Jagan Mohan Reddy, his predecessor, over development of Amravati as a capital. Naidu goes on to say that it was one man's ego and foolishness that has destroyed the entire state. If it wasn't the case, Amravati would now be a sprawling capital.
ప్రపంచమంతా నమ్మకాన్ని కోల్పోయారు. మేము కష్టపడొచ్చు, కానీ పెట్టుబడి పెట్టడానికి సహకరించడానికి వచ్చే వ్యక్తులు రారు. ఇప్పుడు సింగపూర్ గవర్నమెంట్ వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడాలి, వస్తారా రారా? అంత ఈజీగా రారు. వాళ్ళ అనుభవం వాళ్ళకుంది. మన కోసం వాళ్ళు డబ్బులు పోగొట్టాల్సిన పని లేదు. ఇలాంటి రాష్ట్రాలు, ఇలాంటి దేశాలు కొన్ని వందలు ఉన్నాయి వాళ్ళకు. ఆ దేశాల్లో చేసుకోగలుగుతారు ఏదైనా హెల్ప్ చేయాలని. మనకే చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. రెండోది, పెట్టుబడులు పెట్టే వాళ్ళందరికీ ఈ రోజు బాగానే ఉంది, మళ్ళా ఈ భూతం ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఈ దుర్మార్గుడు ఉంటాడు కదా, ఉన్నప్పుడు రేపు కథ మేము ఎందుకు రిస్క్ చేయాలి మీ రాష్ట్రానికి అనే ఆలోచన ఉంటుంది. ఒక బ్రాడ్
Swastika there, joining us, getting us more details. Swastika, the Chief Minister tearing into his predecessor for spoiling the image, the brand name of what Andhra Pradesh could stand for.
That's right. In fact, while I was in the process of translating, I just want to finish up one sentence where Chandrababu Naidu there categorically says that Jagan has instilled so much fear among investors that it is now a big challenge for his government now to reinstill that faith and bring investors on board. Because Chandrababu Naidu says that not only does he want to develop Amravati into a world-class capital, but in order to do that, he has to start everything from the scratch. Back in 2019, before 2019, the initial estimate of developing Amravati, the basic infrastructure stood at anywhere between 50 to 1,000 crores. But now that figure has definitely gone up. And back then, he had in fact signed an MOU with the Singapore government to help them develop a master-class city. But now all those plans stand in jeopardy, and he's blaming Jagan Mohan Reddy over it. Chandrababu Naidu says he's going to use all the resources available at his disposal to ensure that there are adequate funds being pumped into the city. And more importantly, it is developed not just like Hyderabad, but much beyond, and is developed as one of the top 10 world-class capitals across the world. In fact, that's the vision with which he's working. And that's why today he presented a white paper on Amravati to bring everybody on board as to what exactly is the current status of the much hyped capital city that Chandrababu Naidu wants to develop.
There are several issues that Chandrababu Naidu has raked up ever since he's taken the chair of the Chief Minister there. A historic mandate that was given to the TDP and its allies this election. This is just one thing that he's going hammer and tongs on, but there are several other issues that he blames on Jagan Mohan Reddy and the YSRCP.
That's right. And in fact, right from the issue of unemployment to the fact that Andhra has not had a capital in these many years, he's blamed Jagan Mohan Reddy over it. And more importantly, why the issue of Amravati is particularly important. And this assumes a lot of significance because on the 6th of July, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu will also have a meeting with Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy here in Hyderabad to discuss the residuary bifurcation issues. Funds is very important. Amravati particularly is very important because for the people of Andhra Pradesh who have given a historic mandate to the NDA alliance, particularly to Chandrababu Naidu, the core issue has been the state not having a capital. And that's the reason why the deadline is just 5 years. Based on the 5-year performance of Chandrababu Naidu, his future tenure will be decided. And Chandrababu Naidu, very aware of that fact, he's saying that he's going to pump in all resources to ensure that Amravati is developed into a world-class city. And he's in fact promised that he will do so in the next 5 years.
It'll be interesting to see how the YSRCP responds to this. For the moment, though, Swastika, thank you so much for getting us the latest.